Smokers designed for beginners open the door to dependable smoked flavors without the steep learning curve or professional-grade price tag. This comparison covers a range of entry-level to mid-range options, from electric vertical smokers with built-in moisture control to affordable charcoal smokers and classic front-load units.
List number 1. Master-built 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker with side wood chip loader. This is a tall, vertical electric smoker with a digital control panel, a patented side wood chip loader, a removable water bowl for moisture, and 4 chrome-coated racks across a large 711 square-inch cooking area. It's designed for heat efficiency and hands-free smoking at temperatures up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, with generous capacity for poultry and larger cuts. Prospective buyers appreciate the heat retention, easy cleanup via a removable rear grease tray, and the convenience of continuous smoke generation without door openings thanks to the side loader. Performance-wise, the MB2711 shines for busy households that value steady smoke production and juiciness. The water bowl helps maintain moisture, which is especially beneficial for lean cuts, while the vertical layout accommodates multiple chickens or racks of ribs simultaneously. However, as an electric unit, it lacks the wood-burning nuance of charcoal and can be less forgiving in windy conditions. Users should consider an adequate power source and stable placement. Overall, it's a compelling all-in-one solution for beginners seeking consistent results with minimal babysitting.
List number 2. 16.5-inch charcoal smoker grill with thermometers. A compact vertical charcoal smoker grill hybrid with a multi-layer design, built-in thermometer, dual access doors, and a robust latching system for portability and versatility. It emphasizes charcoal flavor and flexible use as both a smoker and a grill, with an emphasis on temperature control via an adjustable air vent and lid thermometer. It's a cost-conscious choice for beginners who want authentic smoke flavors on a small footprint. Performance-wise, the KBL003 offers quick heat-up and direct flame access, with dual doors enabling targeted loading of charcoal or food without excessive heat loss. The vertical design promotes even heat distribution, and the air vent allows responsive control over airflow. The main caveat is portability trade-offs. At 13 pounds, it's light, but less forgiving in windy or unpredictable outdoor spaces. It's best suited for small backyards, balcony setups, or campers who value charcoal flavor and straightforward operation. List number 3. 16-inch charcoal smoker. A versatile 16-inch charcoal smoker grill with 402 square inches of cooking area, 2 service doors, and a design that supports smoking, grilling, steaming, and even as a small fire pit. It includes an integrated thermometer and a lid vent for easy temperature management. The multifunction nature and generous lid hooks offer practical value for cooks who want to experiment with different techniques. Performance-wise, this GR Life model prioritizes flexibility and space efficiency. The 2-door setup reduces heat loss during checks and adds convenience for adding charcoal or water without full disruption. The enamel-coated components and sturdy construction support long-term use, but charcoal-based smoking will demand more user attention for maintaining steady temps, especially in variable outdoor conditions. It's ideal for hobbyists who want one device to smoke, grill, and even simmer or steam in an occasional backyard setting.
List number 4, Smoking Meat 101, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. A beginner-focused guide rather than a physical smoker. Priced at $11.39, this book by Bill West provides foundational knowledge, tips, and best practices for new smokers. It's a crucial companion for readers who want to understand temperature control, wood types, and safety basics before purchasing equipment or when optimizing early builds. While not a smoker itself, the book's value lies in building a solid knowledge base that translates into better long-term results with any device. It covers common pitfalls, smoke flavor development, and budget-aware strategies that help beginners maximize what they already own or buy later. Readers should pair this with a hands-on practice model and note the specific equipment you intend to use to apply the concepts effectively.
List number 5. Smokehouse Little Chief Front-Load Smoker. A compact front-load electric smoker designed for low to mid-temperature smoking. ideal for fish, jerky, cheese, and sausage. It supports up to 25 pounds of product, uses a removable wood chip pan, and emphasizes straightforward, no-fuss operation with plug-and-play usability. Performance-wise, the Little Chief excels for small-back smoking where ease of use is paramount. The front-load design reduces heat loss during loading, and the removable wood chip pan simplifies tuning temps without door openings. It's less suited for very large cooks or high-volume services, but shines for amateur enthusiasts who want reliable, low-temperature smoking with minimal setup. The lack of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi controls keeps it simple and low-cost, which aligns with beginner needs.